Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. Today we are going to learn how to pay with PayPal without a credit card. Is it possible? So first of all, you must know that the best option always that you're gonna have is to receive a payment, so have some money on PayPal balance, and now you're gonna be able to buy some stuff and obviously pay directly with your PayPal balance, okay? You can also, like here in send and request, perhaps make a request to another person or even to yourself with a different PayPal account to send some money. But naturally, you're gonna need like a credit card to send that amount of money. So what you can do is go to your wallet. In this case, I don't know what is briefcase. I'm going to translate to English again. And here you have two different options: associate a bank account or associate card. So in the bank account, you can write the name of your bank, the SWIFT code, the number of the account, and obviously complete all these blanks, and there you're going to be able to create and associate a new bank account. Once you have done that, you can click on transfer funds, and here you're going to have the option to transfer some money from your bank account to your PayPal account. So you must be careful because in some countries this is not possible. For instance, here in my country, there I have three options, but the first option is to transfer some money from my PayPal to my bank, okay? So if you are not able to do that because of your country, what you can do probably is open a new tab and look for how to charge money to PayPal without credit card, and perhaps this is gonna give you some other options. For instance, here in my country we have an option whose name is T-Pago or T-Pay, and you can connect your local bank account and your PayPal account. So that's one way here in my country. So probably in your country is gonna be different. Or obviously, if you don't have a credit card, you can look for a virtual credit card. There are different options that are gonna allow you to make that, and probably you're gonna be able to charge your credit card from your bank account, and then you can go to your PayPal and associate that credit card with your PayPal. In that way, you're gonna be able to buy any stuff that you want from your PayPal. Here in PayPal, just in case if you want, we have different options. That is to go to settings. In the seller tools, you're gonna have receive payments, so any other formats or preferences, or even to create a donation button in order to receive money without, I don't know, any other problems or so. And that's it. That's what you can do to use your PayPal without a credit card.